Communication is one of the most important skills in a person's life. Your communication decides how people see you, how confidently you present yourself, and how successful you become in your career, relationships, and society. The better you communicate, the better your chances of progressing in life. But communication is not a talent you are born with. It is a skill you practice, polish, and master. In this complete guide, you will learn practical techniques to improve your speaking, listening, writing, and body language. This guide is long, detailed, and designed to help you truly transform your communication abilities. 1. What is communication? Communication means sharing information, ideas, and emotions with others. It includes speaking, listening, body language, tone, writing. True communication is when the listener understands what the speaker wants to say. If your message is unclear, communication fails even if you speak a lot. 2. Why good communication matters. Before learning how to improve communication, you must understand why it is important. Strong communication skills help you in career growth. Employers prefer people who can express ideas clearly. Communication helps in meetings, presentations, interviews, and teamwork. Building confidence. When you speak well, you feel confident in public, at school, in the workplace, or in social situations. Better relationships. Most problems in relationships happen because of misunderstandings. Communication builds trust and avoids confusion. Leadership. Every great leader, from source to politicians, has strong communication skills. They inspire people through their words. Solving problems. Communication helps you understand issues quickly and find the right solutions. 3. The 4 core areas of communication. To improve your communication skill, work on these 4 areas. Speaking, listening, body language, writing. Let's understand each one in detail. 4. Improve speaking skills. Many people think communication equals speaking. But speaking is just one part. Still, it is the most visible part, so let's start with it. Think before you speak. A good communicator always thinks for 2 to 3 seconds before saying anything. Ask yourself, what is my main point? How can I express it simply? This avoids confusion and helps you speak clearly. Speak slowly and clearly. Speaking fast makes you look nervous. Speaking slowly shows confidence. Practice. Record your voice. Read 1 page daily aloud. Focus on clear pronunciation. Slow is smooth. Smooth becomes confident. Improve your vocabulary. You don't need fancy English words. You only need the right words. Examples: I am upset. Clear: I am disappointed because. Better: I don't agree. Okay, I see your point, but I think differently. Polite: good vocabulary helps you express exactly what you feel. Use simple and direct sentences. Avoid long, confusing sentences. Instead of, actually, what I want to try to say is that maybe because of the situation. Say, my point is, or, what I want to say is. Simple language equals strong communication. Tell stories. People understand stories easily. Instead of saying, hard work is important, say, let me share a small story about a student who changed his life through consistent practice. Stories make your message memorable. Avoid filler words. Filler words include like, you know. Basically, replace fillers with a short pause. A pause makes you sound confident and in control. Practice daily speaking. Here are simple ways to practice. Speak on one topic for 5 minutes. Mirror practice. Talk to yourself in English. Join speaking clubs. Speak with friends. Consistency is more important than perfection. 5. Improve listening skills. Communication is not just about speaking. Listening is equally important. Good listening creates trust, respect, and understanding. 5.1 Listen without interrupting. Let the other person finish speaking. Interrupting shows you are impatient, you don't care, you want to dominate. Good communicators wait, listen, and then respond. Give full attention when someone talks to you. Put your phone aside. Maintain eye contact. Face the person. Show interest. Small gestures communicate respect. Ask smart questions. Asking questions shows involvement. Examples. Can you explain that further? What do you mean exactly? I want to understand your point better. Better questions equals better communication. Listen for emotions. Not just words. People don't always say what they feel. A good listener understands tone, facial expressions, body language. This makes you emotionally smarter. 6. Body language. The silent communicator. Your body speaks before your words do. Good body language boosts your communication instantly. Maintain good posture. Stand or sit straight. Avoid bending or slouching. This shows confidence and energy. Keep eye contact. Maintain eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds. Not too much, looks aggressive. Not too little, looks insecure. Smile gently. A genuine smile makes you friendly and approachable. Use hand gestures naturally. Gestures help you highlight key points, show excitement, improve clarity. Just don't overdo it. Control nervous movements. Avoid shaking legs, touching face, fidgeting, looking around. Such habits show nervousness. 7. Emotional intelligence, EQ. A big part of communication is emotions. High EQ helps you understand people, handle conflicts, respond wisely, show empathy. Here's how to develop EQ. Identify your emotions. Are you angry, stressed, excited, or confused? Knowing your emotion helps you control your communication. Stay calm in difficult situations. Avoid reacting emotionally. Take a deep breath. Speak politely. You gain respect when you stay calm. Learn empathy. Empathy means understanding others' feelings. Example: instead of saying, "You're overreacting," say, "I understand this is stressful for you." Empathy improves trust. 8. Improve written communication. Writing is also a part of communication. Emails, messages, reports, notes. Here's how to improve writing. Be clear and simple. Use short sentences. Avoid unnecessary complex words. Structure your message properly. Every written message must have purpose, details, action, closing. Check grammar and tone. Use tools like Grammarly, ChatGPT, Hemingway Editor. Avoid emotional writing. Never write when angry or sad. Wait. Think. Write calmly. 9. Communicating in professional settings. Professional communication requires discipline. Be concise. Time is valuable. Don't over-explain. Get to the point. Maintain professional tone. No slang. No rude words. No emotional tones. Respect others' opinions even if you disagree. Show respect. Say, "I understand your point, but here's my perspective." Give constructive feedback instead of saying, "This is wrong." Say, "Maybe we can try another approach." 10. Communicating in personal life. Good communication improves family and relationships. Express your feelings clearly. Say what you feel honestly. I feel upset because. I feel happy when. Listen without judging. Understand before advising. 10.3 Avoid hurtful words once spoken. Words cannot be taken back. Use I instead of you. Avoid blame. I feel, not you always. 11. Barriers to good communication. You must remove these barriers. Fear of speaking, low confidence, lack of vocabulary, negative body language, interrupting others' emotional reactions, assumptions, poor listening. Identify your barrier and work on it daily. 12. Daily 40-minute improvement routine. Here is a powerful daily routine that improves communication fast. 0 to 10 minutes. Speaking practice. Choose a topic and speak for 5 to 10 minutes. Record yourself. 10 to 20 minutes. Listening practice. Listen to English podcasts or speakers. 20 to 30 minutes. Reading aloud. Read any article or book loudly. Focus on pronunciation. 30 to 40 minutes. Writing practice. Write a short paragraph daily. Correct mistakes. Following this routine for 30 days will change your communication drastically. 13. Real-life tips to become an excellent communicator. Here are powerful tips from experts. Use the rule of 3 when speaking. Give information in 3 points. People remember 3 things easily. Keep your tone polite. Tone is more important than words. Use names while speaking. Using someone's name builds connection. Be honest and authentic. People trust honesty. Observe great communicators. Watch interviews. Motivational speakers, leaders, teachers. Learn from their body language and tone. 14. Mistakes to avoid. Many people make these mistakes. Talking too fast, interrupting, speaking without thinking, using aggressive tone, over-explaining, not making eye contact, negative body language, being sarcastic, poor listening. Avoiding these mistakes improves communication immediately. 15. Golden rules of communication. These rules always work. Think before speaking. Listen more than you talk. Speak slowly. Keep sentences simple. Be honest. Maintain eye contact. Be respectful. Stay calm. Keep learning new words. Practice daily. 16. Final words. Communication is power. Communication is one of the most powerful skills in life. It can build your confidence, improve your relationships, help you achieve career growth, make you a better leader, increase your influence. You are not born a communicator. You become one through practice. If you work on your voice, tone, listening, empathy, body language, and writing every day, you will notice a huge transformation within weeks. Remember, good communication opens doors that talent alone cannot. Thank you.